Guys, I'm now at PDJ Vibro, so we're going to have a little look at some of the equipment that they do, see whether or not that can serve us in what we do. Oh, it reminds me, I need to grab the spike rod out of the boot. Look at this place. So cool. Some of this stuff is massive. They look like massive pancake mixers. I mean, like, I can fit in the second lid one in, and you can see this one's way bigger than that. Size of this machine. Just there, to give you an idea, that's my hand. I could probably fit 3 people in there. See, this one's been cleaned out. This one's got like much finer kind of chips, so much more fine. Okay, so here we've got a potential option that we can use for actually running, instead of that rotor rack, we can run this at the end of a conveyor, have our parts come straight in here. It'll actually be more like this one actually. Come straight in here, and then between runs, one of our guys can come along, lift this in place, and bring our parts coming off the rack straight out, and they'll already be pre-finished, hopefully ready for us to anodise and powder coat. So that's the idea. I mean, these machines are absolutely amazing. They're actually not that noisy. I'm quite surprised. They're reasonably quiet. And if you want to get an acoustic lid option, there's one there. So I think we'll start with one of these, and then we'll add that later. But the guys here at PDJ Vibro are going to basically test our parts, see how they come out, and advise on the best medias, and then we can go from there. And hopefully in the new year we can have one of these and start getting some even better finishes than we have been on our current parts. So I'm just waiting for the car to charge up. I'm absolutely freezing today, and this is off the back of going to Artisan's project for that first day. So I'm just at Holiday Inn, getting the car charged on a 50 kilowatt charger. I need to get up to about 50%, and then I'm good. I can leave and make my way back to the unit. But I'm really confident about that option. The guys there, Dave, who I dealt with, he's fantastic. He really he's really telling me his passion for the machines and whatnot. It's quite interesting seeing their story and hearing about it. He's the main director, I think. But yeah, it was just it was really good actually seeing the machines in person and seeing all the bits and pieces and some of the other bits that they're doing subcontract work for other people. It's quite interesting. So yeah, I think that's going to be something that's going to work out. We'll wait and see what the parts come back like. And if they come back good and they look like they're going to anodise well and they powder coat well, then we may well be buying one in the new year. Instead of a rotor rack, we can have that on the end of a conveyor, have our parts come straight from the conveyor straight into that, and then they're pre-finished. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys soon. We'll see you on the next one, probably the Artisan one. Bye.